So we're going to show you exactly what we're going to be doing this evening. Alright, so the pot is not too hot at the moment. We're going to make a beautiful salmon, and the first thing we're going to do, turn off this one. Spray the pot with some light oil. Now, we're going to get the salmon, we're going to put in it. Right. I don't know why I didn't know that it was like 4 pieces of salmon, but I'll cook it today. Can leave some for the next day. Alright. So look at that, guys. Alright. Now, the beautiful thing is you don't have to stress yourself about this whole heap of season pepper. This is what I learned about salmon. Lots of cracked peppers. Alright. As you guys can see, that's the pepper and it. Alright. Now, I normally have the Jamaica Valley season. I want to finish. We're gonna put some paprika. A little bit of KG. Little bit of mixed herb. See? Chip it. Trust me. You don't have to stress yourself about this whole heap of powder season. None at all. Salmon is very easy to cook. Alright. So as you can see, that looks excellent. So you're sealing the salmon. That looking excellent. All right. Just pepper, herbs, Cajun seasoning, and some paprika. Alright, you have to watch the full episode to see what I'm gonna do. I normally use the Jamaican seasoning, but I finish. I need to get some more. Alright, now, once you seal it, take it out. Alright, out of the pot. Like that, so you seal it. Alright. Guys, salmon doesn't take long to cook. So we're going to put some more oil. I'm using a light spray oil. Garlic. So we got red onion, tomato. Alright. Fresh thyme. Get that fresh thyme flavor inside. Rosemary. Alright. This is coriander seed. Fennel seed. Cumin seed. Cloves. Pimento seed. Stir them up. Now the problem is a lot of people do not cook with those seeds, and those seeds help to build the immune system. All right, yeah. So if you are not using those cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander seed, all of these seeds help to build your immune system, and you're getting a lot of vitamin from them. So that's why I like to use them. beautiful tomato sauce. All right. All right, look at that now. Stir them up. All right. And this is what you got right here. So you see? Put that beautiful salmon on top of it. Oops. All right. So you guys can see for yourself exactly what Chef Ricardo has been showing you, what you guys can do. So that will just simple steam down inside of it. That is some pasta. Lemon. Simple, but very effective. All right. Now that's why I said to you guys, a lot of people, you see them cooking and then putting this whole heap of seasoning on it. It doesn't need to. It's a simple little dish. Look up the pepper. And that's just olive oil to make it look a little bit, you know, fresh up on it right there. Yeah. And salmon doesn't take long to cook, as you guys guys can see. That looking fantastic. Let me know, what do you think? All right, recipe please. I gotta put the recipe on my YouTube channel. All right, recipe will be on my YouTube channel.